Hello, welcome to my answers to the activity, the widow and parrot. The first question is, have you ever had a parrot or met someone who has? Well, I have never had a parrot as a pet, but when I was a child, I remember that my cousins had two parrots. Those parrots were babies. Then they didn't speak or chat. However, they were very funny. And they used to fly inside the my cousin's house. On the other hand, I remember that one of my aunts used to have a parrot that was an adult parrot. But honestly, I was not lost to my aunt, and I don't remember a lot of that parrot. The second question is, do you think parrots can express thoughts and feelings? Well, I think that parrots express emotions with their sounds and cries, but I think that they do have not thoughts such as humans. Despite that, if we have any pets, not only parrots, but any pets, it is our responsibility to give them love and be very attentive to their welfare. It's the minimum required from us. The third question is, what would you teach a parrot if you had one? For sure, I would like to teach it to whistle the song Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. That is one of my favorite songs, and I love whistling. Then that song would be perfect to teach my loving parrot. Okay, that's all. See you in the next activity.